Hello class. Now let me start writing program for do while loop. Okay, so we have written a program for for loop as well as while loop. Both are entry control loop. Now we'll write a program for do while loop. Okay, now do while loop is exit control loop, and we can write any program with use of do while loop. For example, here we want to write print 1 to 10 numbers with use of do while loop. So print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so do while loop is called exit control loop. So it will enter in the loop and first time it is not going to check condition. Okay, so let me include our header file is using namespace std int main. Our main function has been started. Now int I equals 1 and we are writing 2. We want to print, listen, this is a variable, control variable. As it is a loop, it is also going to use control variable. Now, what is the difference between while loop and do while loop is, in a while loop, first it will check condition and then it will execute the statement. Whereas in do while loop, it is going to execute the statement first and then it will check the condition. Means what? First time, though your value is incorrect, then also at least once your loop will execute. So look at here, we have given I value is 1. Now it will print 1 and we have increased I value by 1. So it will be 2. Now it will check condition like 2 is less than or equals 10. Yes. Then again it will print 2 and then increase the value 3. Again check condition and so on. Is it okay? I mean, this is a do while loop where it is going to execute the loop at least once, whether your condition is true or false. Now, let me run our code before, So, let me run our code. Look at the output. The output will remain same as we are getting in a while loop. So this is output in a do while loop. Okay, now what's the limitation of do while loop? For example, instead of I value is 1, if I am giving 11, then it will execute first. So it will print 11, then it will become 12 and will check the condition. So let me run our code. So in this case, though the condition is incorrect, the loop is going to execute at least once. Okay, so it will print 11. So, and yes, here we might find it illogical, but a do while loop is required sometimes when we want to execute our loop at least once, though the condition is false. Okay, for example, here we have written a program for sentinel control loop. So at least once we want to read a number and then print a number and then we want to verify whether it's a -1 or not, then this program we can write with use of do while loop too. And in that case, to use do while loop is advisable. Okay, so this is about a do while loop. It is called post-test loop too, because after executing the statements, it is going to test the condition. Make sure initialization, increment or decrement and conditions, all things are required in do while loop too. And semicolon we used to write. Okay, after while then condition we have to write semicolon. This is compulsory in do while loop. There are two keywords used in do while loop, do and while. I guess it is easy. Thank you.